Today, we're turning a simple squash into a hearty, all-in-one meal, stuffed and baked to perfection. Let's get started. You will need the following: spinach, bell peppers, feta cheese, butternut squash, ground chicken or turkey, parsley, yellow onion, walnut pieces, dried cranberries. For your spices, you will need Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, sea salt, white pepper. Start by halving your butternut squash lengthwise. Next, using a spoon, scoop out the innards of the squash. Place your squash onto a parchment-lined tray. Spray a thin layer of oil onto the meat of your squash. Now, using your hands, massage it in. Next, sprinkle on some sea salt and turn over your squash. A little more oil onto the outside of the squash. Transfer it to an oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the squash is tender, about 60 minutes. For our filling, let's start by dicing our peppers. Remove the tops and bottoms and cut out the pith and seeds from inside the pepper. Cut into strips and then dice them into medium-sized pieces. Transfer them into a bowl. Do the same for the yellow pepper as you did the red pepper. Moving on to our onion. Remove the top and bottom. Make a small cut and remove the skin. Cut in half and dice the onion as fine as you can. They should look like those onions you get in a McDonald's cheeseburger. Now, transfer them into a bowl. For the spinach, just give them a rough chop with your knife. In a medium-high pan, add in your ground chicken and sear it until you get a nice golden color. Now, we can add in our diced onions and give it a little mix. Next, in goes our diced peppers. Now, let's get some seasoning in here. 2 pinches of sea salt, 2 pinches white pepper, half a tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon Italian seasoning, and lastly, 1 teaspoon paprika. Give it all mixed together until it's fully incorporated. Add in our chopped spinach and mix until it wilts. Add the dried cranberries and the chopped walnuts. Turn off the burner and mix everything together. It's been about an hour and our squash is looking pretty ready. Using tongs and a flipper, turn over the squash. Careful not to burn yourself. Take a knife and score the flesh in a crisscross pattern. This will help to get more filling into the squash. Using a spoon, transfer your filling into the squash. Depending on the size of your squash, you might have some filling left over. Top it off with some feta. Now, back into the oven until the feta is golden brown. About 10 minutes or so. Carefully transfer them onto a plate and garnish with parsley. Time to dig in. If you made it this far, let me know what your favorite fall dish is. It's like having all the flavors of fall in one spoonful. And if you're looking for more delicious recipes, check out this video that YouTube knows you'll like. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.